So here's how to change language on Google Chrome. It's quite simple, guys, so let's get started. First of all you're gonna do is simply go to the three dots on the right upper side, simply tap on that, and then from the bottom you will probably see the settings option. So you need to tap on that to open up the settings, and now you will have successfully find the languages. You need to select that one. Now if you find any of the language that you want, you need to tap on this button to find out the language. So from here you can select any of the language. So I'm now going to find my language, so I will go with Japanese, then select that one, and then simply go with the add button. Simply add that one, and as you can see, Japanese has been added. So I will select this from here, three dots, tap on the three dots and simply tick mark on it, like display Chrome in this language. So you need to select this option, then relaunch it. Now as you can see, my language has been changed. So that's how you can simply change the language of your Google Chrome. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.